Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. It's Monday, March 29th, 4:04 p.m. and the stock market's closed. It's the last trading week of the month. It's the last month coming into the next quarter. So that means the first quarter of the year is getting ready to end. So let's look at these cannabis stocks on the weekly time frame. What that means is each candle is a week. Since today's Monday, the week's not completed. The point is we're looking to see if we broke outside the range from last week, identify leadership or bargains. So looking here at Alpha Charlie Bravo, the candle is yellow. That means the high and low have not traded above or below the prior candle. Indecision. And this is a prior demand zone around that $9. So if you think this is a bargain, you might be considering picking up the stock here. Next, Alpha Papa Hotel Alpha. It's also an inside candle near the low of last week. Is that a bargain? Maybe you think so. Next is Bravo Lima Oscar Zulu Foxtrot. It's also an inside candle. And this has been acting as a demand zone here where buyers have been stepping in. So this may be the opportunity to consider this as a buy. If it takes out this low, close the trade. Looking for a gun to the high of here, to the upside. Yeah, that's a trade idea. If you don't experience that, practice with one share, $1.14. If you can manage it with one share, if you do well, then consider to allocate more money to buy more shares. Bravo Uniform Delta Zulu, also inside candle indecision, and it's building a wedge. It's getting tighter and tighter. It's going to break out and snap. Which direction? Well, time will tell. Charlie Alpha November, also inside candle indecision. And you notice a lot of them are in tight consolidations, a lot of inside candles. That's either accumulation or distribution. Institutional money, not the retail trader like you or me. Big money, he's either buying or selling these. And when the snap comes one way or the other, we will know. But the opportunity is to get here where it might be a bargain. Charlie Bravo Delta Sierra. No, this is not leadership. It broke below the low of last week, made a lower low, not leadership. Charlie Bravo Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. Potential buyers have been here before. Charlie Golf Charlie, inside candle indecision. It's building a tight consolidation over here. This has been the demand zone before this area. Charlie Romeo Bravo Papa, not leadership. It broke below the low of last week. That is not leadership. I would not consider buying that. Let's go on to the next. Also, Charlie Romeo Lima Bravo Foxtrot. It broke below the low of last week. Not leadership. I would not consider touching this on the long side. Charlie Romeo Oscar November, inside candle indecision, prior demand zone. Opportunity. If it closes above or prints a price above the high of here, it might be a buying opportunity. Yep. Watch that for this week. We'll see what happens. Charlie Whiskey Bravo Hotel Foxtrot, also inside candle indecision. This has been a demand zone where buyers stepped in before. Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot. Interesting. It took out the high of last week today and closed off its highs back in here, indecision. But again, it's more leadership because it traded outside the range and above here. So the other opportunity is tomorrow, if it takes out the high of what today was, I would consider buying it and having my stop below and moving it up daily. Golf Romeo November Hotel, inside candle indecision, also acting as a demand zone there. Golf Romeo Whiskey Golf, not good. Broke below the low of last week, not leadership, avoid it. Golf Tango Bravo India Foxtrot also took out the low of last week, avoid it. Golf Whiskey Papa Romeo Foxtrot, it took out the high of last week but closed back inside of the range. I would consider that as potential bullish. See what happens in the next days. Certainly if it closes green above the high, I would consider opportunity of buying it and riding it to the upside. Hotel Echo Mike Papa. Nope, it took out the low of last week and then closed back inside the range. Not leadership, avoid it. Avoid it. India November Charlie Yankee. It did take out the high of last week. That's good. It's bullish. So let's look for a close above last week. So if this goes up and closes above here, I would consider trading bullish. India Victor, India Tango Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. Building a tight consolidation over there. Julia Uniform Sierra Hotel Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. That's a strong momentum down, and it's here a strong weakness. Avoid it. Mike Goff Whiskey Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. Also more weakness here. Mike Sierra Romeo Tango, inside candle indecision. Yeah, if it clicks out the high of this prior week, I would consider it bullish, looking for the upside. And look at the penny stock. You could afford one share, right? Opportunities. Oscar Goff India. Nope. Took out the low of last week, not leadership, bearish. Avoid it. Papa Oscar Tango November. Took out the low of last week, all of today, and then tested this big round number, a penny, and rode back up. Nah, nope. I'd rather had it break to the upside of that one. Not good. Not good. Better opportunities. Sierra, Mike, Goff, leadership took out the high of last week. Look at that. And closed up here so far. So again, if we take out the high of what today was, leadership, consider buying it. Sierra, November, Delta, Lima, inside candle indecision. Better opportunities. Let's go to the next. Sierra, Tango, Zulu. That's good. Took out the high of last week already. Outstanding. So again, tomorrow, if it takes out the high of today, which was here, 236.94, consider trading along to the upside. That's good. Tango, Lima, Romeo, Yankee, inside candle indecision. Tango, Romeo, Tango, Charlie, inside candle indecision. Tango, Romeo, Uniform, Lima, inside candle indecision. Victor, Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. X-Ray, Lima, Yankee, inside candle indecision. Looks like weakness. So the takeaway is we just saw a few that are looking really good at the beginning. Outstanding. So now you have a watch list. If you need to watch this a second time, a third time, ready to restore leadership. These are inside candles mostly. So this watch list you have here, there were several that were looking better than all the rest, and those were leaderships. You see them here? They took out the high of last week. Even though they may have closed back inside that range, I would have them on the top of the watch list and look for opportunities for the long side. Even though a lot of these are still inside candles, indecision, again, watch it tomorrow, watch it the next day. As soon as they take out the high of last week, I would consider bullish buying and moving a stop up with tight money management to make gains. There's lots of good opportunities here. Huge price range. As we get closer and closer to the last days of this week, because it's a short trading week, Friday is a holiday, I would not wait till the last day of the week to look at these. That'd be Thursday, because again, the market's closed Friday. I would stay particularly close looking at these the last half an hour of each day. That's around 3:30 p.m. New York time or around 10 a.m. New York time. After the first half an hour when the market opens, look for opportunities. Let's look at this one, for example. Where's a good one? There we go. Nope. I'll end here. You need to come back if you want to see more.